Okay, let's get started. So, word problems with decimals. Hold on one second. One second. Something's not working. Okay, word problems with decimals. So, let's take a look at a couple word problems I made. So, here it says there are 10 grapes in the bowl. 4 of them are green and the rest are red. What is the amount of green grapes in decimal form? Well, I see that the word 10 is right here, so I know that that is going to be a keyword. And I know 4 of them are green. That's a keyword. And it wants to know what is the amount in decimal form. So those are my keywords. So I know I have 10 grapes in a bowl and 4 of them are green. So I think about that. 4 out of 10 of them are green. And you know that 4/10 is written as 0.4, decimal point in 4. You could write it that way, or you could do the 0 like we've been practicing. Either way is right, but 4/10 written like this is our answer for that problem. So let's take a look at this one. Once again, there are 10 grapes in the bowl. 4 of them are green. The rest are red. What is the amount of red grapes that it wants? So it wants to know red grapes this time. Well, we know that 4 of them are green. If I have a total of 10 grapes in the bowl, 4 of them are green. I've got to figure out what the rest are. So I know that 10 minus 4 is 6. So I know that I have 6 red grapes. So to write that as a decimal, I'd have to say 6/10 of them are red. So there's my answer. Decimal point and then 6. And let's take a look at this one. So Kaya walked her dog for 3 4/10 miles the other day. What is that distance in decimal form? So I'm thinking decimal again. I've got to fill in my blanks here. So I have a whole number here, 3 4/10, 4/10, like so, 3 4/10, and there is my answer. And then let's check out this one. Miss Davis drove 1 8/10 miles to the store. What is that distance in decimal form? So once again, we're just filling in our blanks. If it helps you to write it out like that, that's great. So we've got 1 whole mile and then 8/10 of a mile. So 1 8/10 looks like this. Just taking this fraction into decimal form. Pretty simple. I mean, you guys have passed these last, 13 levels and learned all about decimals there. So you should be able to pass this level. Any questions?